Welcome to Discover China EV. This is likely the first video worldwide to test drive both the YangWang U7 and U9 on open roads. We've got you covered. Hit like to support us. So, why this video? I already did a deep test of the YangWang U7. Honestly, it left me a bit stunned. So naturally, I'm very curious, how does the flagship YangWang U9 actually feel to drive? After all, at 1.68 million RMB, it is the absolute ceiling for Chinese cars. Does the price bring a groundbreaking experience? Enough talk, let's drive. Just touching this YangWang U9, the excitement and nerves are unreal, and there is this deep, spontaneous pride. The emotional value is maxed out because you'll definitely draw curious stares from everyone around you. They wonder what a Chinese supercar looks like. This YangWang U9 gives a very clear answer. Quad motor, all-wheel drive, total horsepower reaches. Torque is. Its 0 to 100 time is terrifying too. It is firmly in hypercar territory. Now, without further ado, let's switch straight to race mode. In race mode, you need to get out to activate it. That means be ready, grip the wheel. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you can truly feel in this car what it means for your body to launch while your soul lags. Let me describe the acceleration. Your peripheral vision instantly blurs completely. 1 second you're here, the next zoom, you're shot forward. Indeed, only an EV gives you this unique acceleration feel. Beyond just being fast, the chassis performance shocked me even more. Honestly, the dynamic suspension feedback feels a lot like driving a traditional performance car or a supercar, especially in sport mode. You feel every bit of the road clearly, but it never feels rock hard. It still handles daily driving comfort. Just imagine that. Like the U7, it has terrifying power, over 1,000 horses. The car is quite heavy overall, so I think its chassis must play a crucial role here. One difference from the U7 is it is equipped with the Yunian-X fully active suspension. Extreme dynamic handling is present. Hit the turn signal. One smooth move. The whole car instantly shifts sideways, and you don't feel uncomfortable at all. You're in a relatively comfortable state. While achieving this extreme handling, I think this is the electronically controlled suspension, giving you a unique driving feel. This is exactly like my experience driving the U7. It is identical. It satisfies extreme handling performance, while also blending in luxury and comfort. If the U7 explored a new form of luxury sports sedan, the U9 explores a new form of electric supercar, because in any other car, you've never had this unique driving sensation. Speaking of which, I have to share a very interesting feature of this car. It is endlessly fun. Under the Yunian-X menu, there is a jump function. Simply put, it not only supports static vertical jumps, but now also dynamically achieves all 4 wheels leaving the ground. Let me demonstrate. Okay, after I tap start, there is a 5-minute countdown. Within this time, you just need to be in the 30 to 80 kilometers per h speed range. To try this function, speed at 60 kilometers per h. Pull both paddles. 3, 2, 1, go. Once more, 3, 2, 1, go. I bet many are curious. Does this feature have any practical use? I can tell you for sure, no. The official guidance clearly states, It is forbidden for jumping potholes or speed bumps. This jump function is more like an overflow of suspension performance, an extra playful attribute. From this, you can also see this suspension has two key features. First, massive active force. Each wheel can deliver over 1 ton of support force, enough to lift this 2-ton plus beast clear off the ground. Second, its adjustment speed is fast, and I think that speed shines in its continuously variable character. So, overall, you really can't use old combustion supercar standards to define this YangWang U9. It can be very comfortable, great soundproofing, and surprisingly good visibility. You can even turn on seat ventilation and massage, listen to music, and just enjoy the drive. It completely shatters our old image of traditional supercars. It is a new species, more than a vehicle. It is truly like a wheeled robot. On the street, it is a total showstopper. So, I think speed is just one part of its ability. The greater joy it brings the driver is why owners willingly spend 1.68 million of their hard-earned money on it. After testing the YangWang U9, that overflowing sense of value really lingers, especially when the U9's smart body control and millisecond power response appear on the more accessible U7's spec sheet. You'll understand what tech democratization means, letting everyone touch a once unreachable ceiling. About the U9, everyone's first reaction is a Chinese supercar for 1.68 million. Who buy it? But I can say you only get it once you drive it. 1.68 million is actually a bargain. Now looking at the U7's price, that feeling of it is too cheap is the purest praise for tech equality. Even setting aside these hardcore specs, this U9's head, turning rate, and buzz are insanely high. At the car wash or parked roadside, people keep coming up and asking, is this the dancing YangWang U9? Can you make it bounce? I think it really makes people completely forget the single point of its high price. Those supercars costing 4 or 5 million, or even more, you partly pay for performance, but a big part of it, I think, is really paying for its social appeal. So, I ask you, under 2 million, can you find another car with more social appeal than this YangWang U9? So, from this angle, I think the U9 at 1.68 million is a total steal. After test, driving the YangWang U7 earlier, this feeling of it being underpriced was also very strong. Think about it. A full million level build standard, but the final price is just over 700,000. If you try to find a proper competitor in its class, strictly speaking, there isn't one. The closest, I think, might be the Porsche Panamera. Also, a benchmark model among traditional luxury sports sedans. That car focuses on sporty handling, and the YangWang U7 can actually give you that too. And it does it even more extremely. Even its Yunian-X electromagnetic suspension can achieve negative body roll in corners, a kind of anti-physics posture control. Actually, on the YangWang U7, you can also see many traits of its big brother, like the front design inspired by Sangsing Dewey, and the interior is extremely luxurious and comfortable, with various Eastern aesthetic design elements. The other one is the ultimate big toy. Tap the door twice lightly, and this YangWang U9 can raise 2 beautiful butterfly doors. What comes into view is China's first integrated carbon fiber monocoque cockpit under the door panel. You can also see these exposed, beautiful forged carbon details. Honestly, I really think looking at it this way, this cockpit design is truly dreamlike. Owning both of these cars, it is hard to imagine a more dreamy combo, with absolutely head-turning design. And built-in max social appeal right from the start. you can occasionally take it to the track for speed and thrills. So, can we now use absolute price to measure their value? Personally, I think not, because right now, they are more like leading China's new energy vehicles. Head-down explorers, charging ahead. Their goal is grand and ambitious. These two cars are just the beginning. The future target is tough and challenging to reach. But even in uncharted territory, we want a bigger say, right? Because once we claim this peak, the road ahead becomes a vast, fertile plain. Last year, news of the YangWang U9 hitting 3,000 horsepower set the car world on fire. It also challenged the Nürburgring lap record. And you all saw the result. The YangWang U9 lapped the Nordschleife in 6:59, setting a brand new track record, leading Chinese EVs to new heights. That is all for this episode. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Heartfelt wishes for your journey into Chinese EV news. See you next time.